Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Asante Kotoko played a friendly game against Kumasi Ebony, right? Kumasi Ebony, I think that's the name of the team Kotoko played with, and they won the team. Safo Taylor was on the scoreline. Naby Keita scored 2 goals. I told you guys that once Naby Keita sensed that we are signing more strikers, that's when he will turn to prime Lewandowski. Because don't worry, you guys will see a surprise, because I'm expecting Naby Keita to turn up when the second round of the Ghana Premier League resumes. He has seen that we have signed players. Naby Keita loves competition. I think you will start seeing the best of Naby Keita in the second round of the competition, because he wants to show you that he can outsmart everyone. But when there's no pressure, he will relax. But once he sees pressure, he'll start scoring. You see, when Kwame Buku was leaving, he scored in our last game against King Faisal to tell you that he's ready to replace Naby Keita. But there's no way Kotoko will hand him a contract. Or do you think Kotoko should give Naby Keita a new contract? I don't know. So Kotoko beat Kumasi Ebony 5-2. The first goal was scored by Godfrey Siama. The second goal was scored by Naby Keita. Then Patrick Asma scored. Then Solomon Safo scored before Naby Keita made it 5. They scored 2. I think Kwame Ba got red card in that game. Yes, Kwame Ba got a red card in that particular game. But it's actually a good exercise for the boys as they prepare for the upcoming second round of the Ghana Premier League. It's going to be very, very interesting to see how things work out with our new strikers. Michael Vinicius is not yet in Ghana. For those of you asking, he's not yet in Ghana, but the management are stating that they will try all their best to get him in Ghana before the second round of the competition begins. So right now they are trying to get him into the country from wherever he is in the world and make him prepare for the upcoming second round of the Ghana Premier League. The second round of the Ghana Premier League will start April, and I think first week of April, that's when the second round of the Ghana Premier League will start. But right now, Kotoko are busy preparing very well for that game. Based on the comments from people that watched the game live, they said that the boys played very well, especially Andrew Sapao, our young centre-back. He played extremely very well when he partnered with Habib Mohamed. It was a very, very good game, and I was pleased with the results. I think we scored 3 goals, they scored 2, then we scored 2 more. Like, they gave us a scare, then we just finished them off with 5-2 scoreline. I don't know when we'll score 5 or 4 goals in the Ghana Premier League. Hopefully, we just get a lot of surprises in the second round of the Ghana Premier League, because if we start seeing Kotoko score a lot of goals, that would be very nice. So that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, click and hit the notification bell. If you have anything to say, put in the comment section and tell me what you think about our friendly game and any other thing else. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed to that right now, till next time, guys, goodbye.